nicest thing I've seen. I wish that we could give it a go. See if we could be something. I wish I was your favorite girl. I wish you know I was the reason you were in the world. Basically, I wish that you loved me. I wish that you needed me. I wish that you knew when I said two sugars. Actually, I meant three. I wish that without me, heart would break. Yeah, I wish that without me, you'd be spending the rest of your nights awake. I wish that without me, you couldn't eat. Yeah, I wish I was the last thing on your mind before you went to. You're the nicest thing I've ever seen. And I wish we could see if we could be something.
Vi gir en applaus, kära Oskar. Det är